I left my shoes by the door, rain on the stairs. Your tea went cold on the tray, still waiting there. The apricot scarf on the chair still smells like home. I touch your name in my phone, then leave it alone. And I try to act clean, but your face comes back like bread in my hands when the day goes black. Hold me one more time. As hezdikin, you pull me back again. As hezdikin, right where the hurt began. Your mother's ring in the box beside my watch. I hear your laugh in the glass when the kettle knocks. The market dust on my coat, my heart on sleep. I walk your street in my mind and count the beats. And I try to act strong, but you cut through like moon on the hills when the world is blue. Hold me one more time. As hezdikin, you pull me back again. As hezdikin, right where the hurt began. If you come back tonight, I won't pretend I kept every little lie for your footsteps again. No grand words, just your hand in mine. One small room and a soft, slow line. As hezdikin, you pull me back again.